Once your model is trained, making predictions becomes quick and straightforward. 3 methods to start predicting with your trained model are single record, multiple records, and API calls. You can manually enter a single record for prediction by filling in the required values in the provided input fields. Some fields may require numerical input, while others might include drop-downs for categorical values. Once you've entered the details, click Predict to run the inference. If any field contains invalid input, the system will highlight the problematic field and display an error message. Ensure all mandatory fields are filled with valid values before submitting. Once submitted, the system will return a prediction result based on your trained model. To predict multiple rows, you can use the Upload CSV function. Click on the Multiple Records tab, prepare your CSV file with the necessary feature columns, and click Choose File to select your file. Then, click Predict to start the batch inference. The system will process the data, generate predictions, and automatically download a CSV file containing the results. To ensure a smooth process, make sure your dataset includes all required columns, maintains correct data types such as numerical or categorical, and avoids missing values unless the model is designed to handle them. After the inference is complete, the system provides detailed feedback. A green success box will confirm that all records were processed successfully, and predictions for each record will be displayed. If there are errors, a red warning box will appear with details, such as the number of rows in the data, the number of rows with no issues, the number of rows with issues, and a summary of the row-level problems. Issues might include missing features, incorrect data types, or extra features being sent for inference. The system will display affected rows along with their error details. Common row-level issues include categories not present in the training data, missing values in a required column, or values outside the range used during training. The system will still proceed with predictions even if some data has issues, however, the accuracy of the results may be affected. You have the option to correct the dataset and rerun the prediction. You can also make an API call to the prediction endpoint. Pass the training and the data for prediction, and the API will return the prediction outcome. To ensure smooth predictions, always validate your data before uploading. Make sure categorical variables match the expected values, and double-check column names and data types to align with the trained model. By following these steps, you can ensure a seamless prediction process by manually entering a single record, batch processing with a CSV, or using the API. Contact us to learn more.